Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today we're going to be going over the Yamaha fleet carts versus their PTV model. So for several years now, Yamaha has been offering a PTV model, and what that stands for is a personal transport vehicle. So what you get with the PTV model is you get a taller tire. They do a 20-inch tire on a 10-inch wheel. You get the headlights and tail lights. You get reflectors, a horn, rear view mirror, and a fuel gauge or battery meter with an hour meter, as well as you get a high-speed gears in the rear end or the high-speed program for the electric carts so that it runs 19 miles an hour from the factory, as well as it comes with the cushion grip steering wheel. The PTV models are also going to be available in more color options from the factory. To get this PTV model from your local dealer, if you're looking at brand new carts sitting side by side on the showroom, you're going to pay about an extra $1,500 to get the PTV model. So to start crunching the numbers on that price difference, if you were to buy a fleet cart and put a set of tires and wheels on it and put a set of head and tail lights on it, that's going to start running you around that $1,200, $1,500 range. So that alone is basically going to make up the price difference for what you're paying for the PTV. But then with the PTV carts, you're also getting the fuel gauge with the hour meter and the high-speed gears in the rear end, which those two upgrades alone are another $500 to $800. So when you really look at it, it makes quite a bit of sense to just spend the extra $1,500 up front and go with the PTV model if that is going to be your goal long term, is to make some upgrades like tires and wheels and the head and tail light kit. So the issue with trying to find a PTV cart is they're just not as readily available as fleet carts. Fleet carts get sold to golf courses. They go live the first 3 to 5 years of their life on a golf course, and then they get sold to dealers and refurbishers that go through them, fix them up, and resell them as used carts. So you just don't see as many PTV carts. The chances of being able to find a used PTV cart that's somewhere close to where you live and at a decent price range for now being a used cart is pretty dang slim. So really the only way that you're going to get your hands on a PTV is to go to a dealer and buy one brand new. A big bonus of buying a cart brand new off the showroom is you get a full warranty with it. Yamaha carts, whether they're the fleet or the PTV models, come from the factory with a 4-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. A lot of times if you're looking at buying a brand new cart off the showroom, you're going to have some financing options available through a dealer as well. An important note that I would like to make is the early PTV models, when they had the Drive 1, which would have been from 2007 up to 2016, they did offer a PTV model for the last couple of years at that, but those did not have the high-speed gears in the rear end. So they were geared just like a standard fleet model cart was. It wasn't until they came out with the Drives 2 in 2017 that they started doing the high-speed gears as part of the PTV upgrade. One issue that I want to make you aware of on the PTV carts, if you're planning on using this as a street cart and you need it to be street legal with turn signals and brake lights, because it only comes from the factory with head and tail lights, no turn signals or brake lights. So if you need that stuff, you have to upgrade to their premium light kit, which if the dealer is installing that light kit, it's going to cost you another $500 to $700 to get that kit and pay the labor for the dealer to install it. So to come up for a solution with this problem, I have started developing our own kit that is going to be a plug-and-play complete light upgrade kit that's going to fit right onto your factory lights so you don't have to change out your head or tail lights, and is going to give you the turn signals and brake lights that you need for these carts to be street legal. As soon as we have that turn signal kit upgrade available, I'll put a link in this description down below, and we'll also be putting out a video on how to install it. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you catch that video when it comes out. That's going to wrap it up for today, guys. If you got some good value out of this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.